Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. For today we are going to be tying an Ankara turban. How to use Ankara to tie a turban, the trending 2020 Ankara turban. So starting off, I'm going to be using this very big Ankara hair tie. I folded it in a triangular shape, and I'll be doing a 70-30 ratio hair tie ratio of the hair tie. The measurement is going to be 70-30. So as you can see, I'm going to be picking up the 70 first and making a pleat. I want it to be a V-shaped gilly. So as I'm placing it on, the other hand will be on the ears, like this 70 part is covering the ears. When I'm crossing it over to the other side, I'm not going to cover the ears. Then the 30 part of the gilly, I'll be bringing it over to the other side on top of the longer hand, which it will be covering the ears on the other side. So automatically it's going to be a V-shaped gilly. And also the pleating, I'm not pleating it neatly because it's Ankara. I don't really waste my time in pleating Ankara neatly. Can you see what I'm trying to say? The longer hand will not be covering the ears on the other side, while the shorter hand will be covering the ears. So automatically it gives me a V-shaped style at the front of her forehead. So I just pleated the longer hand inside, and I'm pleating the shorter hand on top of the longer hand. Can you see? It's a 70-30 ratio gilly. So, and I just said I pleat randomly. I don't really make it neat because Ankara, when you make it neat, you're practically wasting your time. That is how I feel. Like, I don't know about you, it's because I feel the patterns will be blocking the pleat and all that. So I don't really waste my time making my pleat perfect if it's Ankara. So the shorter hand, I took it back under her neck, behind her head, right? So I'm just pinning that down. So after pinning that down, that's the shorter hand. I'm going to bring the longer hand that's already inside. I'll flip it on top of the gilly and just hide my label, the label of the Ankara. I want to make sure that it's hidden. So I'm just going to pin down the longer hand. They're still remaining. I'm just making sure the gilly is tight. That's what you want to achieve. You want it to be tight so that whenever your client or whenever you are dancing, you don't want it to fall up or anything like that. So after pinning that down, I'm going to be securing that with a pin. Can you see that? And also picking up the other part of the Ankara. I'm just securing everything and making sure the other side, since you're going to be bringing it to the side, I want everything to be neat. This side where I don't want it to be coming out well. So I'm just going to bring up this other longer hand of the Ankara and just flip it and raise it up a bit, just be creative, Sha. I always tell you this. You can create anything you want to do with your gilly. So as far as the front part of the hair tie you are tying is neat, that's just it. So I'm just going to roughly put this thing together, and boom, you have your Ankara turban. Can you see that? I'm just making sure everything is well secured and it doesn't move. Can you see that? So bringing it to the side, that's how it looks. So guys, this is just about it. I really appreciate you guys for watching up to this part of the video. And also for her makeup look, I'm going to be leaving the link on the description box on how we created this look. So guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also don't forget to comment. This is Hadidi Makeovers once again. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.